interface example, 3 examples you have seen. 3 examples. Okay. One is create query. Second one, insert query. Third one, select query. 3 queries you have seen. One is create, one is insert, one is select. Create. Is it DDL or DML or DQL? DDL. Insert, DML. Select, DQL. DML also you can call. Here I given separate category. DQL. Okay. 3 examples you have seen. Now, this example, whatever you studied, program is same. Query will be different. Same here also. Any DML's program is same. After that, prepared statement, 2 examples you have seen. One is insert, one more select. Okay. Now, today you will see callable statement. How to execute PLSQL program through Java. Okay, that is you are going to see. Now, note on callable statement. Callable statement interface. It is used to execute PLSQL programs. It is used to execute PLSQL programs. Here, for getting callable statement reference, connection interface methods are given. See, in a connection interface, 3 methods are given. Connection interface. For getting statement, which method we call? Create statement. For getting prepared statement reference, prepare statement. For calling callable, for getting callable statement, prepare call. So that is method is connection. 3 methods are given. Return type statement. Return type statement, method name, create statement. Like this you have seen. Okay. Next, prepared statement. Prepared statement. Return type. Method name, prepare statement. Okay. Next, callable statement. Prepare call. Okay. Create statement, prepare statement, prepare call. 3 methods. Create statement, return statement, prepare statement, returns prepared statement, prepare call method returns callable statement. Okay. Like these 2 already you have seen. Today you are going to see this one. Now, PLSQL program we have tried. See. Say from Java application, we are going to execute PLSQL program now. Now PLSQL request comes. Oracle database. Now this request is now PLSQL request. PLSQL response. Now, one PLSQL program I'll show you. Java program is same. Any PLSQL program, Java program is same. Suppose student table. Roll number, name, marks. See, my task is I want to insert record with PLSQL program. PLSQL program means either procedure or functions will write. Suppose here one procedure I'll create. Suppose procedure name something insert pro. Something I'll write here. Roll number one variable, name one more parameter, marks one more parameter. These three. See, insert pro. It's nothing but one Java method type. How many people knows PLSQL? Just raise your hand. Okay. Now, PLSQL program. Now, like this one procedure I'll create. Okay. Insert pro. One procedure I'll create just like a Java methods. Java methods. Okay. See, insert pro is on procedure I'll create at database side. That procedure through Java program I'll execute. Suppose here what we'll do, just will write call insert pro. That's it. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Okay. At the command prompt, I'll pass. At the command prompt, Java, suppose callable statement demo. I'll pass. Suppose roll number 3, triple C, marks. I'll write. Now, at the command prompt, I'm passing. Command prompt arguments are called command line arguments. Command line argument index starts with 0, 1, 2. Placeholder index 1, 2, 3. What I'll do, this value I'll place here. Okay, this value I'll place here. This value I'll place here. I'll execute. Then what will be happen? This question mark, this one, it is placed in R. This second one, it is placed here. Third one, it is placed here. Whenever this is executed, here inserted. Roll number 3, triple C, 81. Like this, inserted. But where is query? Query is not there, no? Query inside the procedure I'll write. That is only PLSQL. Inside the procedure will write the query. See, insert query is not there. Okay. Insert query I'll write inside the procedure. That procedure I'll call through Java. Now, any procedure, your Java program is same. Okay. This is you are going to see today. Write this one. So at the command prompt will pass arguments. Those arguments will pass here. Then we'll execute this procedure. Then here executed, it will be stored. It is permanently stored in the database. Later, any other program also you can use. That is PLSQL. Multiple SQL queries also can be executed inside the procedure. And any complicated task is there, then also we'll go for PLSQL. That is how to execute through Java. I'm going to explain. But one procedure I'll show you. Remaining procedures you will learn in Oracle class. Okay, but Java program is same. Any procedure Java program is same. Is it over? Say at the command prompt, I'm passing 3 arguments. These 3 arguments I'll place here. And I'll call insert pro procedure. Then procedure executed. It is nothing but PLSQL program. This is only we are calling procedure name. Procedure name. This is only one PLSQL program. Okay, that is PLSQL program. PLSQL program. Is it over? So first we have to write one PLSQL program. Next we have to call from Java. Then our request passed to call, executed. Then response comes from database. Okay. Now this is almost a prepared statement style only is there. Prepared statement. Okay. You observe. You already studied prepared statement last class. Here, one more thing. Statement, prepared statement, callable statement. These are relationship is there. Inverted. Statement is a super interface. Prepared statement is a sub interface. Callable statement is again sub interface. Now, using callable statement reference, can I call prepared statement methods? Can I access? Yes, because inheritance relationship is there, we can access. That's what, no separate methods here. Prepared statement methods only can call from callable statement. All right, this hierarchy. So using callable statement reference only, we can access prepared statement methods. Say, using callable statement, you can access prepared statement also. But using prepared statement reference, can I call callable statement? No, we cannot. But can I call statement? Yes. Okay. Now, first we have to create one procedure. See, I'll open. Online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Now, connect system manager connected. Okay. See, select star from student. Already 6 rows are there. Okay. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you observe. I'll create one procedure here. Now, first we have to create one procedure. That procedure we have to execute. Okay. Now, PLSQL program. See, PLSQL program will be a database side. See, this insert pro is a procedure name. This is nothing but PLSQL program. This program we have to create, we have to store permanently in the database. So that is I'm creating here. Okay. Now don't write. I'll give you time for writing. Listen. Create or replace procedure name. Now, if you write like this, create. We are creating. What we are creating? Procedure. That procedure name is insert pro. That is name, whatever you want, you can write. Myself, I selected insert pro. Inserting purpose one procedure I'm writing. That's what insert pro I written. Whatever you want, you can write. So we are creating procedure. That procedure name insert pro. If this is already is there, replace. That name already present, suppose. Replace. Create or replace procedure name. After that, 3 variables. Roll number, name, marks. Roll number, purpose, one parameter. Or. This R which type? Number type. Suppose you don't know which data type already you specified. Then what you can do? Student dot roll number percentile type. You can write. Okay. Then student table roll number type, whatever type already mentioned, that type only. Otherwise, you can write number. Okay. R is on parameter. Student table roll number type. For roll number type, whatever type I given, that type applicable. N. Again, student dot name percentile type. Whichever type is there. N is that type. M. Student dot marks percentile type. So these 3 I specified. So we are creating one procedure. That procedure name insert pro. If that procedure already present in a database, replace. We are replacing. For that procedure, 3 input parameters I am giving. R, N, M. R which data type? Student table roll number type. Student table name type. Student table marks type. After that, as. Begin. These are syntax. Procedure syntax. Now you can write procedure SQL. Insert into student values. R, N, M. This is SQL. This is SQL query. This is procedure. Inside the procedure, this SQL we are creating. That's what PL SQL we are calling. Procedure language. End. Semicolon. After that, slash. Then procedure created. So now this procedure permanently stored in the database. This procedure through Java program, how to call. That is you are going to learn. Okay. This type of procedures you will learn in the Oracle class. That's what compulsory Oracle you have to attend. Present, parallelly you attend, otherwise later you attend. But compulsory you have to learn one database. Whatever I am teaching SQL, PLSQL, it is not enough while developing projects. It is just I am showing how to execute through Java. That is only I am showing. So SQL, PLSQL also 2-3 months you will learn. Only SQL, PLSQL only. You will learn 2-3 months. These procedures also 20 days minimum you will learn PLSQL. Okay. So that is also on course Oracle. In an Oracle course only you learn SQL, PLSQL. Okay. Like see, once again here see, one procedure created. So create or replace procedure name. So insert pro procedure created. If already exists, replace it. For that, 3 input parameter R, N, M. R which type? Student table roll number type. N which type? Student table name type. M which type? Student table marks type. As begin, it is syntax. Here I written SQL query. Insert into student values. Now end semicolon slash procedure created. This one write it. PLSQL program procedure example. Procedure example. If any mistake happened, here error comes. Procedure not created, like procedure with compilation errors like that, message comes. Here procedure created. You can. No. Parameters, this one you're asking, but here you cannot change. This is first roll number, name, marks. You can. Here, variable names, whatever you want, parameters you can write. This type must match. That's the reason I written like this. If you know the type directly we can write. If you don't know type, like this you can write. That type also, this type also, both are right. So one procedure created. This procedure through Java, I want to execute. Through Java. Through Java program, I want to execute. Okay. If any small mistake is there, procedure created with compilation error comes. Okay. See, create or replace procedure name. That is syntax. R, N, M. These names, whatever you want, you can write. I given 3 parameters R and M. Data types. Student dot roll number percentile type, student dot name percentile type, student marks type. Begin. This is the query. End. Now, through Java, how to execute. See. Now, Eclipse. See. See. Right click. New class. Suppose callable statement demo.java. Callable statement demo. Okay. CS demo I given. Whatever you want, you can write. I given CS demo. I'll select main method. Finish. Here. Now, connection establishment code is common. What do you write? Class dot for name. Class dot for name. What is the driver class? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Okay. After that, connection. Connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. How many parameters? Which type? String type. First string is URL. What is the URL? JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at localhost colon 1521XC. Username system. Password manager. Okay. Connection established. Now, after establishing connection, if you want to perform the task, now PLSQL program we are executing. For that, callable statement required. For that, which method? Prepare call. So prepare call purpose, callable statement, something CSTMT equal to connection dot prepare call. Prepare call. See, prepare call. Now here we can write the procedure name. Here we are not writing SQL query. Okay. This is syntax you have to follow like this. Reserved word call. Call. Insert pro. Like this you have to follow. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Okay. Now you observe. You have seen last class we written dynamic SQL query like this. Dynamic SQL. First you have seen insert into student values like a roll number, name, marks. Like this you have seen. Later, same insert program you have seen like this. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Like this you have seen. No? Now today you are seeing like this. Call insert pro. Question mark, question mark, question mark. You observe? So here first SQL query like this you have seen. This type of SQL query we executed. Now this type of SQL query we executed. Now this type of PLSQL program we are executing. See, what's the difference? You observe these three. First one, query is there, values are there. Second one, query is there, values are not there. Here query not there, values not there. Okay, that's the difference. Now no query, no values. Okay, but where is query? Inside the procedure. Inside the procedure. Okay. Now values dynamically I'm passing. Command line argument. Okay. Now, so this is called static SQL query. This is called dynamic SQL query. This is called PLSQL program. Okay. Depends upon our task. We have to select. Sometimes PLSQL required, sometimes dynamic required, sometimes static required. Depends upon our application task we have to select. Okay. Suppose later you will see like this one graphical user interface will be there. Roll number, name, marks, submit. Like this will be there. We'll enter roll number, we'll enter name, we'll enter marks. After that, we'll click on submit button. Then these values we have to store in database. This is our task. Now, which one is suitable? Second, third. Okay. Second also suitable, third also suitable. But in this situation, second one is the best option. Reason, if it is any complicated queries are there, if any calculation tasks are there, we'll go for procedures. Multiple SQL queries if you want to execute, if any calculation part is there, if any complicated task is there, in that situation, we'll go for procedures. But only inserting means this is the best option. That is prepared statement, best option. In real time, maximum prepared statement required. Next, procedures and statement. These two. Maximum 90% cases will go for prepared statement. This one just a 5%. Maximum prepared statement only we use. Okay. Then what will happen? See here, when I click on submit button, it is actually HTML program. It is HTML program. When you click on submit button, then this data we have to insert, we have to execute. For that, directly JDBC not possible. HTML is it will run in browser, but this is runs under Java runtime environment in the operating system running. It is not possible to communicate. That's what we'll go for. Next topic, servlets. Then whatever you type, this data can be received by servlets. Servlet data will insert in this SQL JDBC code. This JDBC code will write inside the servlet. That type we'll see. That is real-time Java. So next topic onwards, Java very interesting. And also one application, if you deploy in real-time server, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That type programs you are going to learn after JDBC. Next topic onwards. Java is very interesting. Next topic onwards. Complete real-time Java. With that knowledge, later you can develop your own website also. Once if the topic is completed. Servlets. Okay. Servlets is a first specification for developing internet applications. So with that knowledge, further frameworks becomes easy. Suppose if you want to learn Spring, that knowledge required. Okay. With that, it will become very easy. Okay. Now, here, this type you are going to learn further. Present, you are learning this one. Okay. Call insert pro. Call insert pro. Okay. Now, here, call insert pro, 3 question marks. But these 3 question marks we have to set. You have seen already last class, setter methods you have seen. No? Setter methods in which interface you have seen? Prepared statement. Now, same methods, can I call with callable statement reference? Yes, because just now I given callable statement is a sub interface of prepared statement. That's what you can access. Now, same methods. CSTMT dot set. That is roll number. Roll number which type? Integer type. First question mark. Here at the command prompt will pass. Command prompt which type received? String type. Which type required for us? Integer type. What we are write? Integer dot parseInt. Args of 0. Okay. Now first parameter completed. Okay. Next. CSTMT dot set string name. Second question mark. Here which type required? Can I write directly args of 1? Yes. Okay. Next. CSTMT dot set in 3. Here integer dot parseInt. Args of 2. Here at the command prompt received. Okay. Command line arguments are received by main method. Command line arguments are received by main method. Now, with scanner class also I'll explain. With scanner class also possible. Okay. This is command line argument. Args of 0, args of 1, args of 2, all string type. Args of 0, integer type required. That's what parseInt. Args of 1, string type only required. Directly I passed. Args of 2, parseInt. Again, integer type required. After this. Now, this inside the procedure SQL will be there. That is the reason. Now, any procedure directly execute method you can call. Any procedure. Now, one message. System.out.println, one record inserted successfully. Okay. Now, this total code we have to place in try and catch blocks. Okay. Try and catch blocks, try multi-catch, try catch, anyone you can use. Over. Okay. All imported. See, all imported SQL queries, these all automatically comes. Shortcut keys are there. I'll explain shortcut keys also. I didn't explain. See, these all. Now, what will happen? See, connection established. Here, prepare call. With this, we can execute PLSQL programs. This it is incomplete. It is completed here. Here it is completed. Three arguments we have to pass. Execute. Then procedure executed database side. One message, one record inserted successfully. Now, if I run directly like this, what will happen? Without passing argument, what will happen? Array index out of bounds exception comes. See, java.lang.array index out of bounds exception. Okay. Right click, run as, run configurations. You have to pass parameters. Okay. Arguments. Suppose already how many records are there? 6 records. Select star from. Student. See, 6 records are there. Okay. Roll number 7, I'll insert. Roll number 7. Okay. Apply. After that, run. See, one record inserted successfully. You can check here. See, roll number 7 inserted. See, 3 different types programs you have seen. This type of query is called static SQL query. This type of queries, if you want to execute, which interface required? Statement interface. This type of queries, prepared statement. This type of programs, callable statement. Now, this program you studied, this program you studied, this program you studied. Okay. Write this one. 1 minute. I'll instead of writing again and again these all. So the package, all those things, leave it. Just a star, write it. It is better. For writing notes only, you write star. In Eclipse, that is only continue. Actually, individual only better. Okay, system point of view, individual is better. Write this one. Program to demonstrate PLSQL callable statement. Program to demonstrate callable statement interface. Strength is very less. 5 days, holidays, again extra holidays they want. So instead of writing like this, you write it exception. Now, any PLSQL program, if you want to execute, Java code is same, no change. Java program is same. Is it over? See, statement, prepared statement, callable statement. 3 completed. Okay. You observe, this is static SQL query. This is dynamic SQL query. This is PLSQL program. So this type of queries, how to execute, you studied 3 examples. This type of queries, 2 examples. This type of query, 1 example. Total 6 programs I taught. With these 6 programs knowledge, any SQL query you can execute with Java. Java same, but SQL, PLSQL different. That is the reason compulsory you have to learn SQL, PLSQL. Oracle class compulsory attend. Those who didn't learn Oracle till parallelly attend. Otherwise, after advanced Java, at last you have to learn compulsory. Okay. Next, result set enhancements. Not done. Result set enhancements. You studied already result set. That result set only enhanced. You studied a result set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. A result set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. A result set is an object that encapsulates set of rows from database. Which method you have to call to get result set? Which method you have to call to get result set? Execute query. 3 methods are there given. No? One is execute. Next, execute update. Next, execute query. So execute query method, if you call, you will get a result set. Okay. Execute method returns boolean. Execute update method returns integer. Execute query method returns result set. If we call this method, you will get a result set. Okay. That result set nothing but it contains some data. Okay. Now it is generated. No, it is generated based on SQL query. It is generated based on SQL query. It is generated based on SQL query. So suppose here total 7 records are there. It is generated based on SQL query. Suppose here 7 records are there. Now if I write select a star from student, how many records comes, how many columns comes? 7 records, 3 columns. 3 columns, 7 records, all comes. Suppose if I write select a roll number, comma, name from student. If I write 2 columns, 7 records. Suppose if I write select a star from student where marks are greater than or equal to 90. Just 1 record comes. 1 record. Okay. Select a star from student where roll number equal to 5. 1 record comes. Like that. Okay. So here it is generated based on SQL query. Always table and result set not same. The result set is different, table different. Table permanently stored in the database. This table is permanently in the database, but result set is temporarily. Table database side, result set Java side. Okay. Like always I'm giving diagram like this. Java application, Oracle database. This side table. This side, result set. Okay. This is permanent. This is temporary. That output, whatever we are executing, you are getting output. No, that is temporarily. It is not permanently not stored. Here, database side permanently. Permanent purpose only, we are going for database. Permanent storage mechanism purpose only, we are going for database. Okay. Now, it is generated based on SQL query. Whenever result set is generated, result set pointer or cursor points to before first record. Write that one. Whenever result set is generated, then result set pointer or cursor points to before first record. Whenever result set is generated, then result set pointer or cursor points to before first record. Up to here you studied. This is enhanced. Now, result set enhancements are divided into two categories. Result set enhancements are divided into two categories. First one, result set types. Second one, concurrency types. First one, result set types. Second one, concurrency types. So whatever I taught up to that, that is already given. Like enhancements, results, whatever is already is there, result set, that is enhanced. That means some additional features added. That is your learning. Result set enhancements are divided into two categories. First category, result set types. Second category, concurrency types. What are these? I'll explain. First one, result set types. There are three types of result set. There are three types of result set. There are three types of result set. I'll explain. I'll give. Here, observe type is these three. Now these three types. Note down. First one, type forward only. Second one, type scroll insensitive. Third one, type scroll sensitive. There are three types of result set. There are three types of result set. Type forward only, type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. What are these? What is the difference? I'll explain. See, these are, it is a variable name, integer type. It is also integer. It is also integer. These are nothing but variable names. But variable names, they given capital letters with underscore symbols. In a library, all public static final variables like this only they given notation. All capital letters with underscore symbols. Now, these all variables. Now, how many types of variables are there in Java? 3 types. What are those? Instance variables, class variables, local variable. Are these instance variables or class variables or local variables? Class variable because static. Are these accessible? Because public. Can we change the value of these variables? Because final. Okay. Now write it. The above all are the above all result set types. The above all result set types are static members in java.sql.result-set interface. The above all result set types are static members in java.sql.result-set interface. Here, type forward only, type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. What is the difference? When we have to use this one, when we have to use this one, when we have to use this one, these all you have to teach. These all I'll explain tomorrow class. Okay. Strength is less. Online students are there, but offline students are less. Okay. Tomorrow I'll continue up to 9 o'clock, whether they come or not. Okay. Tomorrow up to 9 o'clock I'll take. Tomorrow onwards. These types I'll explain tomorrow class.